All right, you see right here? See this weird thing on the bumper? That is to let you bang into things without messing up your bumper. And I'll give you a demonstration. Let me show you. It fits right under there. Out of the way. And then your glove box opens with no problem. First, you're going to need a faucet. Turn the faucet on, water comes out. That's the easy part. But to make it into a shower, you need one of these. Flip this over, hook this in there, turn it on. And there's your shower. If I'm in here with no windows, how can I tell what's going on outside? Ah, there's a secret there, too. What happens at night when I want to sleep? Let me show you. That innocent-looking plant hides a secret. It's the lever to open a secret compartment. Behind this license plate, there's a secret. It's really hard to see, but there's a vent behind this. And that allows this panel to let air through. Now, because this is in the back, you have to watch out for exhaust gases getting back in. So that's why I have this magnetic cover. And inside here, there are two types of filter. There is a furnace filter. You can kind of see some of the blue fibers here. And then there is a rain guard for a gutter.